In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Messenger chat hat on Google Pixel. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, on your Google Pixel, go to Play Store. Just searching for Play, then again searching for Messenger. Then as you can see, here is Facebook Messenger, and currently mine one is up to date. So tap on to open, and after that tap on three line menu in this bottom right corner, and here is my Facebook Messenger name, and after that here is chatting. Tap on settings and swipe up for our bubbles. As you can see, it's currently turned it off. So tap on, and here is three different options. You can select for all conversation, or you can select only for one. So select all conversations, so you can receive all messages as a chat bubble. So yeah, pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my videos. See you on the next.